If you want to quickly trim and cut video in CapCut PC, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to shorten the beginning or end of a clip and how to split out middle sections so you can remove unwanted parts cleanly and professionally. This is one of the most useful CapCut editing basics, whether you're editing YouTube videos, short-form content, tutorials, or social media clips. And if this video helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple CapCut tutorials just like this. Let's start with trimming the beginning or end of a clip. Open CapCut PC and import your video into the timeline. Once your clip is on the timeline, move your mouse over the very beginning or the edge of the clip. When your cursor changes into a line with arrows, that means you're in the right spot to trim. Now, click and drag the edge inward. If you drag from the start, you'll remove the beginning portion of the clip. If you drag from the end, you'll shorten the ending portion. This is perfect when you want to remove extra dead space, awkward pauses, or footage you don't need. The great thing about trimming is that it doesn't create separate clips. It simply shortens the visible part of the video, which makes it fast and easy for simple edits. If you make a mistake, you can always drag the edge back out again as long as the original footage is still available. So if you just want to clean up the start or finish of your video, trimming is the fastest method. Now let's move on to cutting or splitting the middle of a clip. This is what you use when you want to remove a section from the center of your video. First, drag the playhead, which is the blue vertical line, to the exact point where you want the cut to happen. Take your time here, because the more accurate you are, the cleaner your edit will look. Once the playhead is in place, click the split icon above the timeline. On Windows, you can also press Ctrl+B. On Mac, use CMD+B. That will divide the clip into two separate parts at that exact point. If you only need to make one cut, this is already useful. But if you want to delete a middle section, you need to make a second split at the end of the part you want to remove. So after the first split, move the playhead to the end of the unwanted section and split again. Now the section you want gone will be isolated between two cuts. Click that middle segment to select it, then press Delete on your keyboard. CapCut will remove that part instantly, leaving the rest of your video together without the unwanted section. This technique is ideal for removing mistakes, pauses, filler words, silence, or anything you don't want in the final edit. It also helps keep your pacing tight and your video more engaging. If you're editing a talking head video, a tutorial, or a vlog, learning how to split and delete sections is one of the biggest time-saving skills you can master in CapCut PC. A good workflow is to first trim the obvious start and end parts, then use splitting to clean up the middle. That way your timeline stays organized and your edit becomes much easier to manage. And remember, if you ever need precision, zooming in on the timeline can help you place cuts more accurately. So to quickly recap, to trim the start or end, hover over the edge of the clip until the cursor changes, then drag inward. To cut the middle, move the playhead to the cut point, click split, or use the keyboard shortcut, then split again at the end of the unwanted section and delete it. That's the simplest way to trim and cut video in CapCut PC. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next CapCut editing guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.